What is up, YouTube? This is Zach and Chris with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, we're out here unboxing a Martin Logan Installer Series in-wall speaker. This is the IW6, entry level, guys. And if you're wondering what's going on back here, Chris, you want to give them the lowdown?
Yep, so right here we have this isn't Hollywood, this isn't fake stuff. This is real lumber, this is real drywall, these are real screws, like all this stuff took time to make, right? We're going through all this time and effort to make a real world comparison on how to do a proper shootout with all these speakers. You guys are always asking, hey, how does this one compare to that one? We're gonna find out.
Yeah, we don't want to lie to you guys or just make up information. What separates us out from the rest here at Dreamedia versus some of our competitors is that we really are constantly on a mission to try to give you guys real opinions, real demos, real side-by-sides, you know, and real opinions of like
hands-on gear versus us sitting there like looking at specs and telling you guys how great they are. Like we actually like to test them and we like to stand by our
that
word.
way we're like giving you an honest opinion. So what we're doing today is just opening this bad boy up, but you gotta subscribe to the channel because we got Focal, we got Episode, we got Martin Logan and ELAC right here. 16 speakers are going in these walls and we're gonna do blind listening tests. So smash that subscribe button, guys. Let's get into this unboxing. All right, guys, now that we are through our intro, we are going to open up this box. And no, our knife is not big enough.
Texas.
Mm-hmm. Texas. I like my knives like I like my speakers.
So this is kind of a good option if you have already committed to a front stage of Martin Logan's and you don't want to throw them out, right? And you kind of just want to make a nice 5.1 or maybe a home theater, then this would be a nice option for you. There are higher tiered models after this one, but you know this one does fit well into the.
This is entry level, like Chris said. This would be the perfect speaker for like a 5.1 in your living room, or even if you don't have the funds to do a full motion series across the whole theater room, you could use these for surrounds.
This is a tiny little guy.
Yeah, it's cute.
Yeah, and it'll just disappear into your room too.
Yeah.
So that's what's good for it. And a lot of the times, you know, the wife has an idea of what your space should look like, or I guess your shared space should look like. Not like it's yours and she can tell you what to do or whatever.
Yeah.
We're not going to go down that road, but anyways, so we have a magnetic grill as well as the
no comment.
the speaker right here. So you want to tell them about what you got in your hand?
Yeah, this is the cutout, guys. So you're gonna get a cutout template with any in-wall speakers. And what you do is you put these on the wall and you trace it out, and then you're gonna cut the sheetrock. And this comes with all the different speakers that we sell. And we're gonna actually show you guys how to install this speaker, as well as all these other speakers in the wall. So subscribe to the channel, guys.
Ooh.
You like?
Yeah, so I'm gonna walk up close to the camera, show you guys some of the details here. Zach's gonna let you know about some of the specs with this individual speaker in general. So first impressions, it has a beefy construction, has a nice little cast case here, and then this magnet is pretty heavy as well. As well as you guys know with any type of speaker design, the magnet is the true heart of the thing. So we have a nice mid-bass driver here, as well as the tweeter on top. Some dog legs right here on the side, and it looks like they're just the standard ones with hex screw. So it's a Torx to kick out these dog legs.
Yeah, so with some of the other manufacturers that we're going to be showing off as part of this series, guys, you'll see that the dog legs are actually separate from the speaker, and this is more entry level, so it's typical.
Yeah, this is a little more involved to install because you have to push it there, hold it, and then tighten it each time.
And you need to be careful because those little legs can break off easily, and that's where a lot of installers or homeowners fall short. Yeah, and then the speaker's like hanging out of the wall because the leg breaks off. So you got to really know what you're doing and be careful when installing this product, whereas some of the other products that we have to offer are just a lot easier to install. You're gonna need to be careful with this guy. But into the specs, we got a 3/4 inch titanium dome tweeter there on the front. And that is not adjustable, right, Chris?
It doesn't look like it. I don't want.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like it's
It
protected,
doesn't
so
say
I don't
that
want to put my thumb on it.
Yeah, it doesn't say that it's adjustable, which in this price range, we're at $229 retail for this speaker, guys, just so that you can compare that next to some of the other speakers that we're showing off in this series. Like that Focal 100 series at $249 would be a good comparable. And we're going to show these side by side as well. We got a 6.5-inch mineral-filled polypropylene woofer. And frequency response is 55 to 20,000 hertz. Recommended power amp, 15 to 60 watts. So not a whole lot to power up this little guy. And sensitivity, 89 dB. And this is an 8 ohm speaker. It's got that magnetic grill too. I don't know if we pointed that out to you guys, but it does
just put it back in the box.
Yeah, it does give you a nice clean look. Like Chris said earlier, it just disappears right into the wall. And these are all paintable, all of these in-wall speakers, but make sure if you're gonna paint them, you hire a pro, or make sure that you take it nice and slow, because a lot of our customers will clog up these grills. A little pro tip: if you're gonna DIY it, just use spray paint and hit it real lightly, because I can't tell you how many times our customers reach out because they've rolled the speaker shut and it sounds terrible. Okay, well, that's about it, right?
I think that's gonna cover it.
All right, well, this is our unboxing video, guys, of the Martin Logan installer series. The exact model is the IW6. Really great speaker for the money. We're gonna be comparing a bunch of other speakers here in the future, so you gotta subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to purchase anything home theater related, distributed audio, home automation, no matter where it is and where you live in the country, we ship throughout the entire nation. And if this is intimidating and you don't want to do the installation, make sure to ask about our preferred installer network. We're building that up throughout the entire country as well to help implement these systems for all our guys out there that aren't DIYing it. Well, I hope this helped you make an educated buying decision. If you would like to purchase, reach out, utilize our free consultation service.
You get to talk to one of the pros. You might get me on the phone. You might get someone else on the phone. Either ways, we're here to help.
We really love this stuff, guys, and we'd love to help you create your dream home theater. Till next time, this is Zach and Chris with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.
Oh my gosh, is that the Dreamedia van in my neighborhood? What? Wait! Dreamedia, come back! We need you!